Thank you for being with me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree for Thursday's Heart Chakra reading. Today we have a little 3-card reading, and we will be using 2 accompanying chakras, one from the Earth realm and one from the Higher Self realm. And our question for this chakra will be, how can I cultivate joy, gratitude, love, and compassion for others so that I am cosmic love? We'll take our first card from the Rumi Oracle, and we have the human gift. Be kind to your heart. You may believe it to be weary from doubt and distrust. So much heartbreak and so many agonies, yet still it beats. Still it persists, with unquestioning allegiance to life. What a grand heart it is, this sacred heart of yours. How can it be worthy of anything other than tenderness, gratitude, acknowledgement, and appreciation? Do not plague your heart with falsehoods and expectations of some disembodied perfection. The perfection of your heart is that love still, even if you try to stop it with some notion of self-protection from future hurt through doubt or fear. Still it loves. It is perfection that it hopes even after despair, that it holds compassion even after experiences of fear. So then, what is there left to do but breathe the grandest sigh of relief and allow yourself the essential luxury of peace within? So then, everything is all right, even if at some moments it seems not to be. Still, your heart beats in honor of life. The heart can be nurtured and coaxed into gentle acceptance of all that is, and the divine sight will become available to you. This oracle comes with special guidance for you. You are, or soon will be, seeing with greater clarity and insight a situation that has been obscured to you in the past. You may be startled by what you perceive, so much so that you second-guess yourself or chalk it up to a wild imagination on your part. You are asked to trust in your perceptions, that when they come from the heart, although what you perceive may be darkness, there will be no judgment in it. See what is truthfully there. Be in the compassionate nature of your heart, and you shall also be shown the most graceful way to become clear and free of darkness, either within yourself or within others and the world around you. And then from the Dolphin matrix, for one of the earth chakras, we'll be using the Kuan Yin Oracle to assist that last message. And we have many hands of the goddess. We often create well when focusing on one project at a time, seeing it through to completion, and then tending to the next one. Sometimes our attention might be stretched across numerous projects, especially if you have a lot of natural creative energy at your disposal. You may worry that you are being stretched beyond your capacity to be productive, that your creative energy is being dissipated by flipping from one project to another, and that you will not complete anything. The guidance from Goddess Kuan Yin is to release your worries and intentions to her, and then let her guide you. When you feel strongly to work on a particular project, perhaps to focus on it for a time, do so. When you feel to step back from it and rest, do so. In the rest, you will replenish, gain new perspective, and return to your creative work, more productive. It is an essential part of the process. Trust that she is uplifting, guiding, and instructing you through your own intuition so that your projects and creative desires will manifest with the highest wisdom and the best order and timing. You do not have to worry about having too many logs on the fire. You just need to let Kuan Yin guide you and follow her impulses faithfully. Do not be afraid to surrender projects to her, even if they seem to be taken out of your hands for a time. When the time is right, they will come back to you, perhaps in a revised form that is more aligned with your divine essence, with the many hands of the goddess assisting you. Through your trusting heart, you will accomplish more than you thought possible, assisted by the universe in ways seen and unseen. And from our spirit chakra from the higher realms, we'll be using the Spirit Messages deck. Our card from this deck is Just Ask. There are many here in the spirit world that can assist you at this time. We are made up of the divine source, your loved ones, friends, guides, angels, and spirit helpers who are waiting to assist you. We are your spiritual team, and all you have to do is ask for our help and guidance. We bring you this card at this specific time because we want to remind you that even through your reaching out for answers, you don't necessarily need a special tool to ask us for our help. We have always been here and always will be, and although we cannot interfere with your karmic lessons that you are meant to learn, we can come to your aid by gently inspiring, guiding, and helping you to recognize synchronistic signs. During your life, you may have tried to do or have done things on your own, which can be rewarding. But when it becomes too much, and you start to feel drained or weak, and you don't have the strength to go on, then call on us, and we will make every effort to help you. Remember once again that we cannot interfere in your life until we're asked or invited. Know that we're always here and waiting, and most important, that we love you. That wraps up this reading for the heart chakra. Please join me again on any of my other readings. Always a pleasure to have you with me. Stay forever blessed. Thank you.